Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a product spotlight featuring the newest addition to our line of soaps, Zingari Man. So Zingari Man was founded by Heather Melton. She is a certified cosmetic formulator and she has spent her time developing a line that represents all natural ingredients, cruelty-free ingredients, things that are great for your skin, things that are going to help make your skin and your beard feel healthier and look better and feel better. Very excited to have Zingari Man as part of our new line of soaps we're carrying at Razor Emporium. I had to look up what Zingari meant, and apparently it is a Roman word for a gypsy, so it's kind of a play on that. But very interesting, beautiful packaging. This brand has been around for several years. I've seen them at other stores like Maggard's and Pastor's Pharmacy. I've heard about them, and we reached out to Heather, and really excited to bring on some of these products. As we were sitting here preparing for the video today, I had an opportunity to smell some of these, and very, very pleasant, very unique too. I think the Royal was one of my absolute favorite. And again, today's video represents what we're currently carrying. I hope that in time we can expand upon this and get some more of her wonderful creations here. So very excited to have this brand on. Let's just quickly go through some of the scents we're currently offering. The Master is a dark and spicy take on a barbershop style scent. The fragrance was brought to life by perfumer Sean Mayer of the Mayer Olfactive. The top notes are citrus, vanilla, and tarragon. The mid notes are woods, amber, jasmine, coriander, holy basil, geranium, sweet bay. And the base is vanilla, musk, amberette, sandalwood, and patchouli. The Watchman soap is one that evokes notes of being in a dark, stormy sea. It has got top notes of soft, woody seashore, lime, balsamic berries, stormy air, and ozone. It has mid notes of patchouli, violet, berries, grape, woods, and jasmine, and has base notes of earth, musk, patchouli, vanilla, orange blossom, ambergris, and sandalwood. The Navigator is another scent that kind of evokes some of the marine and ocean kind of scents and experiences. It has top notes of bergamot, dew fruit, ozone, water, and lemon. It has a heart of dry grass, ozone, lily of the valley, and jasmine, and has a base note of ambergris, musks, softwoods, and green florals. Well, the Social Light has got a real fun play on kind of the classic gin and lime drink. It's going to have the tallow base with it, and in terms of its scents, it's going to be real cut and dry. We got lime, gin, and ice. I think it's one of my favorite here because of how clean and crisp and just how delicious it smells. I definitely need to try this one out. The Royal is a scent that has a kind of air of aristocracy to it. And it's supposed to kind of bring together the idea of William the Conqueror and Elizabeth and Queen Victoria. It has scent notes of leather, incense, silk, oud, wine, spices, and jasmine. I think from all of them here, I think it's my favorite. And it has the same Zingari Man Sago Tallow Soap, guaranteed to impress you with slickness, residual cushion, and unsurpassed post-shave feel. Well, thank you so much for checking out today's video, and I do hope you have an opportunity to try one of Zingari Man's fragrances in your bathroom. Thank you for viewing Razor Emporium's videos. We're here for all things vintage shaving, and we'll see you next time, guys. Thank you.